Hello and welcome back to JessicaLynnOriginal Studios. If this is your first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. And up in the upper right hand corner, we do have some really fun notebooks. Scan that QR code, go take a look. So today we are going to go ahead and we are going to create a really fun Beauty and the Beast Mickey ears. Now, this is one that everyone could do. Super simple, takes a lot of time though. We went ahead and out on Google, I found this really beautiful image and I went ahead and downloaded it and printed it out so that it would be the right size for our Mickey ears. And then I went ahead and got out my glitter pens. Now, for those of you that have ever seen glitter pens, they are available on Amazon. I'll link them down below. They're super fun. It's like coloring with markers filled with glitter. They use them a lot in the adult coloring books. So if, you ever seen those, it's the same thing. And so what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and color in this whole image with glitter pens. Now, Belle's face, I probably will use like a Copic marker in a skin color, just so that it looks realistic. But again, coloring this in, so much fun. Again, this is one of those projects that you could download that, print it out for your kids, have them go in, color the whole thing, and then you could turn around and turn it into surprise Mickeys that you could then laminate and put up at your hotel or frame them. Just so much fun. And the nice part about this one was that with doing it all in glitter pen, it looks so beautiful. Like in person, it literally is just like the completed version looks like a big just glitter ball. And we went ahead and at the end, I'll show you, I'm going to laminate this one. Highly encourage you to do that, especially if you're going to take these to the parks or the hotels. When we went ahead and laminated it, the glitter just pops. Like, it's so beautiful, and Belle looks so pretty, and it's fun because her eyes are closed, so it almost feels like this imagery to me makes it feel like Belle is sort of in her head, just picturing all of the amazing things she encountered at the castle, the Beast, all of the animated furniture throughout the house, and the beautiful stained glass. So it just, to me, with her eyes closed, it feels like it is a dream or something she's imagining. And it's really beautiful. So glitter pens are not horribly expensive. The set that I have, it has 100 colors, and I think it was $17 at the time when I bought it, which is a couple months ago. But really love them. It's so pretty. This, again, super easy. Go and find a page that your kids can color. Surprise them. Use their art that they colored, like a coloring book page, and then put it on the Mickey ears and put it up on your hotel wall. It's so much fun. And like I said in the past, a lot of people will stop, take pictures. They think they're tons of fun. If we're there for like an anniversary or a birthday, sometimes we'll put that around the ears just to make it just a little bit more special. So I'm going to go ahead and color this in, and then we will assemble very soon. thing that I really like about this is that, you know, coloring can be very therapeutic. It can be relaxing. You know, think about when you were a kid and used to color. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll actually take these kind of projects and my glitter pens, and I have them in a little case, and I'll bring them with me to work, and I'll sit there, and you saw I had it on a clipboard, and I just sat on my breaks and I colored this in, and it was fun because it was relaxing. I didn't have to think about work, and it was just a nice way to do it. Now on this, you can see that glitter just pops. It is so shiny. I can't even tell you. It's so pretty. And then I realized the Mickeys I cut were a little too small, but it's okay because the ears, I'm still going to put them above it. It'll be really cute. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out because this will become the base of our Mickey. Again, it was so much fun just to relax and color, and you know, I color with the kids sometimes, and you know, it was just nice to have something creative to do. And this is so pretty in person. It looks pretty on the screen, but I think if you could see it in person, it's even just more shiny. It's like a glitter ball of Belle and the Beast, right? So what we're going to do now is we are going to eventually adhere that together. But first we're going to put some black paper up on the top because I want to make the ears, the Mickey ears, black. Because I just want it to stand out because the white is just a little too much. Like, you lose all the beautiful coloring. But I think black will sort of blend into the background. And then from there, we'll go ahead and glue on the Beauty and the Beast glitter disco ball fun right up on the front. So let's go ahead and adhere that. And then super easy again. Just going to take those scissors, cut all the way around, get that cut out. And you can see we've got it all glued on. I'm adding in a little brown. Again, one of the things I love about Copic markers is that you can come back and add shadows with it just to make it stand out a little bit more. So what I'm doing right now is I have out my Amazon Basic. Now again, I've talked about this before. I do not know why I never bought a laminator before. It is one of my favorite things that I have. Especially since I make a lot of these really fun Mickey wall ears. Now, if you were going to hang this up on the wall, I probably would not laminate it. I mean, you could. It would help it stay in better state, right? I mean, it would last longer. But if you're going to frame it, you know, then it's probably fine, depending on what kind of frame you use. But if you're going to put it up at the hotels, it has to be laminated. We have had, the very first time we did this, I forgot to laminate them, brought them to the hotel, taped them up on the windows, and the air conditioning unit just built up so much dew that it just destroyed them. And that was just, it was way too much work to come back from the parks all day and be like, yay, no. Oh, they're destroyed. So it was very sad. So if you're going to put them in the windows or hang them up on the doors or whatever you're going to do with them like that at the parks, just make sure you laminate them. Again, my laminator from Amazon cost me, I think, like 20 bucks. Yeah, it's an Amazon Basic. And then the sheets for a pack of 100 was, I want to say it was around like 10 bucks. It was super inexpensive. But when you laminate it, look at how the glitter just like, you know, it's because of the the glossiness of it now. It went from a matte to a glossy finish, but I mean, it is just, it almost reminds me of, no, this is going to make me sound old, but you know, the Lisa Frank stickers back in the day. I remember those. I had a sticker book full, and they were just super glitter, and it just reminds me of that. But look at how beautiful those colors are. That's going to look so amazing. We're going to take it with us to the Wilderness Lodge, as well as some of these other ones that we've made. So there's our little Loki. There's my one for my 19th wedding anniversary. And then obviously my daughter, she really wanted the cat from Aristocrats. So cute. Well, thank you so much. I hope that I have inspired you. I hope that you enjoyed our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. I'd love to see you back. I'd love to hear from you down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click on that little circle that's spinning with the owl and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you back here again. Thank you, and I hope that you have a great day. Take care.